Midton Acrylics has been in Lochgilphead since 1981, so we've been going for 40 years and been producing cast acrylics that entire time, and currently we're employing 45 people. Midton are a bespoke manufacturer, so we almost like a foundry for acrylic casting. So like have a metal foundry might cast bronze and aluminium. We do a very similar product offering, except we make it in plastic or in acrylic, which is quite unusual. It's unusual to do it in such a bespoke and unique fashion. We've recently expanded the factory or the facility and built a new shed at the back that will become a working space, and the HIE have helped us with the capital investment for equipment for in that space. The equipment we're purchasing this time round is going to allow us both to diversify the current product range, so we make a lot of awards with the need to move to more sustainable materials. The equipment we're purchasing is going to let us process other materials whilst also looking at reclaiming waste product from our current process. On the other hand, we're increasing capacity for our acrylic casting, so we're doing an awful lot more in the art and design world, where people are wanting larger scale. So we're buying some much bigger equipment that's going to open up some new opportunities for us. Midton's been very lucky for a long time in terms of the breadth of clients and geographical locations we're able to bring clients from, and that's largely to do with how unique our product is and our approach to our product. So we are working throughout Europe and always have been, but we're now building an awful lot more of a broader client base in America as well, which has been really exciting. So a few years ago, Midton changed from a .co.uk to .com, which we believe has had some impact in the US, but we've also increased our presence in social channels, which has really backed up any Google searches that might go on. So we find that people might come through Google and learn about us, either through Wiki or through the website, and then they come onto the social channels, and that kind of builds a bit of excitement because we're very much a portfolio based marketing strategy. So we make a lot of nice things and we're not able to display them. HIE have been brilliant for Midton for a long time. You know, they've been really supportive through our various periods of growth. Way back, a lot of it was mainly capital investment, but in recent years they've also been very good at giving us special advice and financial advice and all sorts of different training schemes that we're able to tap into in order to progress the staff and to bring new people on board.